So, dear student, this is the next problem, and in this problem, what we have to do, there are two cylinders of different diameters, 1.5 larger cylinder, and uh, smaller cylinder with 1 meter radius, and both are fitted inside the channel, and channel is inclined with the horizontal axis with 45 degree, and there are four contact points, this one A, B, C and D. So in this question we have to find out the contact reactions, means RA, this one RB, RC, RD, nothing else. Okay, and this angle is 45 degrees, so obviously whatever the uh, RA means uh, reaction, this will make with W, W is here 3 W, so this angle, okay, this angle will be 45 degree, and this angle will be also 45 degree. Similarly, and this will be R A. Similarly here, from the contact point, suppose we draw a line meeting at the center of the lower cylinder, and also there is a weight, this is vertical weight, this is W, so here it will also make 45 degree. Okay, but what about this RB? This RB will make what degree, or means how it will be, how RB will be inclined with either horizontal axis, horizontal axis, or the vertical, means with the weight of the cylinder with 3W. Okay, so this we have, for this we have to do exercise, means RB, for the RB angle we have to do exercise, and for that some geometric is involved. So what we have to do here, and for that we have to find out RB inclined, suppose inclined with horizontal axis with what angle? Okay, so this we have to find out. Means this is RB, so it is inclined with horizontal with what angle? This we have to find out. Okay, and if it would have been the similar diameter, then it is not difficult, but diameters are different, that's why we have to, means it becomes a little bit difficult. Okay, so what we have to do now, let us this center and this center, we are naming it, suppose it is E and it is F. Okay, and from C, from F, we are drawing a line parallel to the this plane, okay, so it will come here, this will be, there will be some point here, this one, and these we have to meet. Okay, this is, and this one, okay, and suppose this we are naming G. Okay, so you can see here this AC is parallel to now GF, this one GF. Okay, and if we uh, join center to center, so from E to D, so there is a, means some angle inclination, and that we have to find out. Let us draw it with more clarity. Okay, and what about this angle? So this is GF is inclined with 45 degree. It is very obvious with the this inclined plane, means sorry, with the uh, horizontal axis, sorry. Okay, so what we have to find out, this angle in between, this angle we have to find out. So how to find out, let us do some, let's do some geometric. Okay, so what we have to do, our finding is sine, suppose some angle, this I am giving them angle sine theta 1 I am giving. Okay, so sine theta 1 will be what, GE divided by this GE divided by EF. Okay, now what is EF? So EF is this EF, means it is sum of radii of the two cylinders. Okay, so what is the radius of first cylinder? You can see here it is 1.5, this one 1.5, and 1 for lower cylinder, so it is 1.5 plus 1 is equal to 2.5. Okay, what about GE? Okay, so from the geometry we can see here ये हमारा, this is our G, this is our E, and from here and this is the A. So it can be written A E minus AG. Okay, and it also can be written A minus AG. This AG is equal to CF. If you draw the line from here, so it is CF, and it is equal to A is equal to this A, and E is equal to the radius of larger cylinder minus CF is what? The either CF or AG, the radius of lower cylinder. What we get? 0.5 meter. This is also meter. Okay, so from here we can easily get sine theta 1 is equal to GE. So G is our what? 2.5, and EF is equal to GEF here GE. Sorry, there is a GE is actually 0.5, and EF, this one 2.5. So theta 1 we can get sine inverse of 0.5 divided by 2.5 is equal to 11.54 degree. Okay, so what we got, that is this angle, this one. Okay, what about with the horizontal? Therefore inclination of EF, this one, E F, this line, with the horizontal is 45 degree plus 11.54 degree, and it is equal to 56.54 degree. Okay, so from this we got the required angle. Okay, so let us draw the FBD now. Let us draw the FBD for both cylinders. Okay, so firstly the cylinder 1, the larger cylinder. Okay, this is the contact point, and this is the contact point. So it is R A, and the weightage here 3 W, and this one this is the RB. Okay, let us draw a line, horizontal line passing through the center of the cylinder 1, larger cylinder. Okay, so this angle is 45 degree, and this we have find out. This angle is with the horizontal axis. This is the 56. This angle is 56.54 degree. Okay, so this is done for FBD for cylinder 1 or larger cylinder. It is done. Okay, what about for the lower cylinder? So firstly we are going to extend this, the reaction coming from the larger cylinder, and giving the name RB. It is RB. Okay, and the weight of this cylinder, it is W, and the contact reactions from here. Let us draw a line, horizontal line from here. Okay, so this one is acting, the reaction is acting horizontally, so RD. There is a nothing like to find the angle is here with the horizontal, it is 0. Okay, but what about this one? ठीक है, ये this is the point C, contact point. So from here, 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 and this direction RC. So this angle we know, it is a 45 degree. Okay, and this angle also we know, it is this one, 56.54. Okay, so we can see here there are three forces in the larger cylinder. This is the smaller cylinder. Three forces are there. Three forces are there. Here, four forces are here. So definitely we should start from here. Our calculation we should start from here, so that easily we can get the answer. And here we can either apply the Lami's theorem, or the equilibrium condition. But here only, because there are four forces, that's why only the equilibrium condition we have to satisfy. So in my previous lectures already, after drawing the free body diagrams of the subsystems, then how to satisfy the equilibrium conditions by summing off all the forces in x direction and putting 0, summing off all the forces in y direction and equating it with the 0. In this way we can get the answer. Like आप देख सकते हैं, in this larger cylinder, so this 3W, this 3W is vertical load, and RA, RB, these are two inclined reactive forces, and for that angles required. So angles already we have found out. Okay, so only we have to resolve the forces in x direction and the y direction, and in this way we have to satisfy the equilibrium conditions, and we have to get the answer. Okay, so actually what we will get from here, we will get the RA is equal to 16.88 kilonewton, and RB, I am writing answers. RB we will get, so that you can match after solving this, kilonewton. And what about RC? RC is equal to 39.69 kilonewton, and RD is equal to 'So guys, in this way, based on the free body diagram, you just find out the contact forces and match the answers. Okay, enjoy your day, be happy, and what I say, always extract the happiness and enjoy your life by working hard. Thank you.